Bitcoin is attempting to cement an inverse head and shoulders pattern, success in which could spark a sprint to $40,000. Bitcoin, BTC, may be in line for 60% upside if a long-term chart feature stays intact. In part of his latest analysis on June 8, popular trader Mikeable Crypto flagged encouraging signs on the BTC/USD weekly chart. With Bitcoin still wedged in a narrow trading range it entered almost 3 months ago, market participants have little to go on when it comes to short-term price targets. Day-to-day performance has offered no decisive trend up or down, and $30,000 remains formidable resistance overhead. The market is still in the same position it has been the past few days. Don't get chopped up, place some bids at the extremes and wait, Trader Gel suggested in advice now typical of the current market perspective. Stay focused on the higher time frame direction. For Mikeable Crypto, however, those higher timeframes point to some much more interest price action around the corner. The weekly chart, he argued, shows BTC/USD completing and now retesting an inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is the bullish counterpart to the standard head and shoulders, a pattern that shows resistance being cemented and which is typically followed by downside. While daily timeframes have seen that form of head and shoulders materialize around April's $31,000 local highs, the broader trend may yet play out in bulls' favor. Bitcoin is flashing a textbook inverse head and shoulders on the weekly TF. Price is currently retesting the neckline after the breakout, Mikeable Crypto explained. As taught, if the range between the head and neckline is usually the sprint, we are anticipating another 60% rally on BTC. That 60% sprint would place BTC/USD at around $40,000. The $40,000 mark and the nearby area is in fact already a popular target for various traders. Crypto Kaleo has continued to describe $40,000 as a magnet for the market, while Bitcoin price has preserved key support trend lines throughout the 3-month range. In a prediction this week, meanwhile, fellow trader and analyst Credible Crypto said that $40,000 would not form the ceiling for BTC in 2023. Expectations: the Bitcoin halving is in April 2024. Expect $BTC to go sideways between 20-40K for about 12 months, which is when we accumulate as much Bitcoin as we can. Once the halving hits, we start our next bull run to 100K plus into 2025. WAGMI, he told followers. Reality: BTC makes a new ATH in 2023, leaving the majority sidelined. Not everyone makes it. Magazine: Bitcoin is on a collision course with net zero promises. This article does not contain investment advice or recommendations. Every investment and trading move involves risk, and readers should conduct their own research when making a decision.